Hi everyone and welcome back to Pharma by Seji, your go-to place for simple and clear pharma concept. Today's topic is very important one, normalization calculation in related substance. If you are ever wonder how to calculate all impurities level without using standard, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. What is normalization? In related substance testing, especially by HPLC, we often want to know how much impurity is present in the sample. One simple way to do this is by a method called normalization. In normalization, we assume that all peaks, the main compound, and the impurities respond equally to the detector, meaning we don't use any special correction factors or external standards. How to calculate? The formula is very easy. Percentage of impurity is equal to area of impurity peak divided total area of all peaks into 100, where area of impurity is equal to area under the impurity peak. Total area is equal to sum of all peak areas including the main peak. Now let's take an example. For your understanding, I take one RS sample graph. Here you can see the main drug peak, impurity 1 and impurity 2. Here is RT and area. Now we calculate how normalization calculation. So we open Excel. Now we copy paste all area. Now for normalization calculation, we have to sum all the area. It's total area. Now for impurity, percentage of impurity 1. Impurity 1 area upon total area into 100. Now we have a percentage impurity 1 is a 2.16%. Now we calculate impurity 2. Same, impurity 2 area upon total area into 100. It's a 1.14%. Now you understand how to calculate normalization calculation. I hope this video made normalization calculation super easy for you. If you like this explanation, then like, share and subscribe my channel Pharma by Seji. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep learning. Bye bye.